Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a flip through of the Floral Mandalas. Now this is a color by number book from Alexandra Franzese. You may recognize some of her work from like Coloring Book Cafe and whatnot, but she has branched out on her own. Now this is Amazon Create Space paper. Oh, and Amazon Create Space paper has actually gotten thinner. So that's just interesting. Now, how she works hers is she has like her color chart, or you can just make your own, which is nice. Of course, I would suggest going through the images before you decide number one's going to be like orange or something. But let's take a look. So the key is over on this side here, and then we have the image. Normally, I don't mind Create Space paper for like mandalas and whatnot, simply because I usually use gel pens and markers, so I don't really use my pencils so they don't bother me. Yeah, that's a really pretty one. Be interested to see how the colors come out. I also don't normally do color by numbers, but I wanted to give one of hers a try. So I will leave a link in the description below if you enjoy color by number ones. The nice thing is you can always change it up. I mean, light pink can be any type of light pink. It doesn't necessarily have to be a specific color every time. So you can kind of like pick your colors out, swatch them, and see what you think. That's one way, or shade them later for a little depth. You don't have to follow everything exactly. These are really pretty. But these would be fun with like, I use glitter gel pens are my thing for mandalas. And then of course fine liners and Sharpies. Some really pretty patterns. Definitely have to color a few and see how they turn out. Sometimes, I don't know about you guys, but there's sometimes like artists will have a color scheme and you're just like, that doesn't really go together. Jade Summer did that a lot. Their mandalas, just the colors were hideous together. I'm like, who did this? Did we even look at the color wheel before we created this? Now here's the same designs without the numbers, so you can turn around and color them yourself. So it's going to be the exact same ones we just saw, only now you get to do it yourself. So it's kind of like a 2-in-1 book. Isn't that cool? So yeah, that is one of her latest releases. I have a few others that I'll be showing you, so stay tuned and watch some more flip throughs. But this is Floral Mandalas by Alexandra Franzese, and again, it's a color by number, but also not. All right, until next time, take care. Bye now.